Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am going to show you my another card, another deck, tarot deck, and I mostly like the tarot decks, not the oracle cards, and that's why I have bought one more deck, and this is Alchemy and Gland Tarot. Yes, Alchemy and Gland Tarot, 1977. Okay, this is its front, side, back with three cards, and yes. Now, this little version of this tarot, uh, it has no booklet, no keyword, no anything. Okay, in this deck we just have the cards. Okay, and now I'm going to open this deck. Okay guys, this is the back side of this deck, and this is the type of this card, thin and movable, and you can't do the reverse with these cards, because if you do it you easily know that this is upside down, and there is this skulls, and I think this is some kind of signs. I think this is um what kind of say, I think zodiac signs or some planet signs. I don't know. Now, this is the first card, and it is written in four languages. I don't know the other languages, French or Germany something, but there is this. They write this the fool. This is the fool, and this is with Joker, and oh yes, maybe he is blocking something over here. He is not moving in this card. Yes, he's sitting. He's just sitting over here. He is holding, I think, one wand and one flower. In this deck, the wand represents the roses, black roses, and I think there is this chameleon over here. Yes, something changing with chameleon. Now we have the magician card, and yes, he is manifesting something, doing something over here, making some kind of magic, performing magic. I think he is doing a lot. He is standing on the cliff, I think so. Yes, standing on stone or cliff, and yes, performing some kind of magic. The high priestess, and they call there in this card a little bit nudity. If you don't like this, then don't watch it, or if you don't want to buy it, don't buy it. But I think it's not. It's a little bit okay. And with this, the high priestess. Yes, she is also getting some knowledge from the skull, performing black magic, and um, living in the darkest, deepest jungle or forest, and collecting the skulls. Ooh. I think this is her wisdom. Okay, and with this empress, this is the empress card. Look how gracefully she is sitting on her throne, and she is okay, she is grabbing the chalice or cup, and there is a candle, and its light is blown off, and yes, it is beautiful. She is so confident. She know what she have to do, what she want to do, She is not afraid of anything, or maybe she is thinking about someone. Okay, then this is the emperor, Egyptian emperor. And in one hand he has the black rose, and the other hand he has some kind of stick. I think this is some kind of authority stick in Egyptian, a ring, some kind of claw bands. And there's a snake like thing over here. And he is very wise, he is very intelligent. And this is the Hierophant. Yes, this is the Hierophant. He is alone, he is watching at this rose, and thinking about something, giving others knowledge, uh, maybe planning something over here. He is attracted towards this rose, I think so. Someone is in love with someone, and they are thinking about them, they are missing them. And there's this there's a brooch, and it had the face of someone. Yes, maybe Medusa, or maybe someone. Okay, and he had the pendant. And there's some kind of a sign on his skull. uh, Chemical something. And books, knowledge, have a lot of knowledge, making medicine for others. Pentacle, cross. And maybe this is dragons, or something, griffin. No, not griffin, I don't know the name. And this is the lovers, they are the lovers. Blood, and there it's written the blood. They both are so attracted to each other. Love is strange. And then the what is this? Chariot. Okay, chariot card. Now look how she is holding her this chain. She chained uh, that dragon or something, a snake, skeleton of something. Yes, snake, this is a snake. Okay, and he is holding it. He is having the control, she is having the control on this snake. Okay, I think there's a lot of meanings for this card. Then this is the justice card. The justice is happening over here. She is doing something. She is punching the person, the bad person. She is punching it. And she is angel, a dark angel, I think so, or maybe an angel. Okay, beautiful card, I like this. This is the hermit card. And he is sitting on some kind of cauldron, and holding a large feather. Hermit. Okay, thinking about something, planning something over here. Or maybe there is a lot of things going on in his mind. And then this is the wheel of fortune. With this wheel of fortune, she is getting control of this dragon. Okay, the faith is changing, the fortune is changing over here with these winds. And she is doing something here because of her deeds. She is doing something here. The fortune is changing. And this is the strength card. Yes, strength card. She is having the hold on her this snake or dragon. Maybe she is shattering over here, and she is herself a strength, a snake or a dragon. Hangman, the mummy, and he is showing his hurt to others. He is fighting for his love, uh, stubborn for his love, to get his love. There's some symbols over here, ankh, and I don't know other symbols. A Taurus symbol. Okay, and this is the death card. Yes. Okay, this is the sky. This is the angel of death, and he is killing others. Death and rebirth. Okay, the what is it? Temperance. Okay, this is the temperance card. Um, okay, she's not doing anything, but there's this sun is coming out of these clouds, and she's sitting by the water, desires, emotions. um Maybe she is healing herself, her own self. Okay, then this is devil. This is the devil card. He is restricting that girl, and yes, he is he don't let that girl go, holding her tightly. Okay, the tower card. Yes, in this card there is this tower, and it is not breaking, but the person is jumping out of something, and this person is burning. Maybe they're behind this fire and this girl. There is the tower, and the tower is on fire. Your house is on fire. That person's house is on fire, and he is escaping from that disaster. Then we have the star card. Wow, beautiful card. Star card, and there's this devil shape face over here. This is a dark tarot. Yes, and she is sleeping over here. I don't think what she is doing over here. The moon card, and the werewolf is out of control because of this moon. The lunar things are going, and someone chained that wolf. A lot of things going on your mind, and you can't do anything at this moment due to this change. You're hiding things, your fear, your anger, anything. And this is the sun card, and what can we say, lunar eclipse. uh, the moon is covering the sun, and that vampire is changing herself, stepping on some kind of creature. Okay, sun, ready to fly, ready to take a step. Now this is the judgment card, and there is a lot of things happening over there. um, there's a devil. He is holding that girl, and there's maybe little boy or some kind of creature. Judgment. Okay, the judgment day. What is happening to you? Okay, ठीक है. Okay. The word card, and this is very beautiful word card. Yes, something's changing over here. It is also bad and good. Someone is flying. A vampire is flying over here. Some creatures are down here. These are symbols of, I think, symbol of the zodiac signs. Yes, these are the symbols of zodiac signs. Something is written over. This they write there the light. I think so. The right. Okay. This is the word card. This is the Ace of Cups. The cup is full of blood. Uh, I think love. Blood relates love. And look how strong her arms are. She has the tattoos over her arms. Gremlin, some kind of gremlin, or what we have called her with these pointed ears. Beautiful card. I like this. I like this deck a lot. First, I like the Dream of Kaya, and then I like this deck a lot. Now, Two of Cups. Okay, some kind of bat is drinking the blood from this cup. Maybe in your situation there is some kind of devil, enemy. Three of Cups, full of blood, and behind these cups there is a dragon, a guidance for having a happy time. Four of Cups, some kind of devil face, and Four of Cups, and it represents the missing someone. Five of Cups, crying over the spilled milk. Why is this happening to me? Why did I do this? Why did they do this? Okay, and yes, okay. Now Six of Cups, calling your past back, or going to meet someone from your past, having a good time, your father, your mother, anyone. And Seven of Cups, having a desires, hopes, and dreams about something. Eight of Cups, leaving that is no longer deserve you. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment card. And Ten of Cups, happy home, love life, a partner, obedient partner, honest partner. Okay, and then this is yes, Knave of Chalices, cups and chalices. Okay, he is doing something over here. Maybe he's stealing something, stealing this cross, and there's these figures over here with him. They know that he is doing something over here. And this is a Knight of Cups. As he is moving to propose someone, he is not showing his face, neither his horse face. Independent person, I think so. And with this Queen of Cups, look at her face. She is changing her face. Maybe she is not showing the real one of her. Okay, the dragon, King of Chalices, King of Cups. Ace of Wands, and with these flowers. Ace of Wands. There's something written in here, over here. I think this is in some other language. This is the Ace of Wands with passion, with love, beginning something, starting something new. And Two of Wands. This is maybe someone is grabbing these Two of Wands. Okay, making the choice, making the decision. Three of Wands, waiting for someone, ready to do something, waiting for the right time, doing some magical tricks over here to do something. Four of Wands, happy home life. Two faces, two persons are going to meet each other, or going to be one, okay, going to marry each other. Five of Wands, uh, fight, battle, quarrel. Six of Wands, success, victory. Seven of Wands, defending your own beliefs, your own self, and lying about your mistakes. Okay. Eight of Wands, something happening very fast, doing so very fast. Okay. Moving fast. And Nine of Wands, defending your own self. You are true, you are telling the truth, and you are defending yourself from your or your loved ones from enemies. Ten of Wands, having a burden, a stressful time. Knave of Wands, and this is, yes, a childlike person holding the hourglass. And these are the skeletons with him. My friend, or changing the truth. Okay, then this Knight of Wands, he is ready, he is very fast, he is very energetic, very active person, and he is going to do something, he is going to begin something. With this 8 card, 8 number, I think this is for infinity. And I don't know what they had written over here. Okay, the Queen of Wands, lovely, passionate, attractive, loving, caring, active person. King of Wands, very active person, know what to do, how to do, when to do, protecting others with this dragon, the guide. And Ace of Swords, look how beautiful this card is, with these roses and skull, horns. I think this is ram skull. Gemini, number 2 is written over here, Gemini, and the triangle is here. Third party situation, maybe some kind of sign is over here, having a clarity over something, going to know the truth. Two of swords, blocking someone. Yes, Medusa. Yes, she's Medusa. Whoa, blocking someone, that is not good for you. And then Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Yes. Um, Two skulls. Heartbreak. Crying situation. Four of Swords, taking the nap, taking the time to rest and decide something. Five of Swords, yes, Five of Swords, and wanting to have the control over the situation with these waves, I think so. And Six of Swords. Uh, some kind of victory is happening over here. I think this is for the Wheel of Fortune, and there is this pilot or something. What is this? Okay. Having the success to move from the bad things, to move out of your bad time. Okay. Seven of swords, deceiving, cheating, backstabbing other. Eight of swords, what did you, stuck over some situation, can't able to move. Okay. Nine of swords, sleepless nights, stressful time. uh, Ten of swords, backstabbing someone, deceiving someone, betraying someone. Okay. Knave of swords, yes. Knave of swords, and um, childlike situation, and he is getting knowledge from this book, gathering knowledge, gathering wisdom. Yes. And then the knight of swords. Ooh, look at his eyes, very ferocious. Also his horse, they both are not alive. Maybe it represents the death, um, death angel coming on is horse. Okay. Someone is coming towards you with very they are moving very fastly, they are coming soon towards you, maybe they are attracted towards you, or they want to do something to you. Okay. Then this is the queen of swords. Yes. uh, um, she is a cold, I think, cold-blooded person, mysterious lady with this crow, mysterious lady hiding something, going on, very much going on the mind. Okay. Cutting someone from your life that is not serving you. Okay. King of swords, very active, very alert, uh, isolated person, um, uh, what can I say, cruel person. Okay. Then this is ace of pentacles, and there's lot of things over here. Once again, infinity, Gemini, guidance to start something new, or want to start something, some new business, with want to make money, more money, or a stable relationship. Two of pentacles, juggling. Three of pentacles, searching for something, teamwork, helping each other. And you see each of the pentacle cards, they have these faces over here. Um, I think this is a vampire's face, and there is this skeleton scythe. This skeleton is doing something over here, maybe reading the book. He is reading the book, and four of pentacles, or holding something. Maybe he is holding something, a box maybe. And they are, it's mean that uh, um, holding something very tightly, very stubborn person. Five of pentacles, leaving someone alone in the dark, in the cold. And this is the honeybee, I think so. And honeybee or home fly, yes, a dirty thing, uh, having no money. Six of pentacles, balancing your emotions, your relationship, your business, everything. And charity work, helping others. Okay. And now you have seven of pentacles, and this is pregnancy, or sowing something, or starting something, and or do something, and now waiting for its fruit, or the gain out of it. And eight of pentacles, skill work, uh, is going to give you something, uh, rewarding you by, for your skilled work. And Nine of Pentacles, having all happiness and luxury in your life. Then the Ten of Pentacles, this is showing us that happy home life, every happiness, motor, house, money. And the Knave of Pentacles, Knave of Pentacles, childlike thinking and want to do something, possessed by the lunar eclipse. And Knight of Pentacles, and he is also like some kind of master or devil something. He is ready to do something, uh, making his promise fulfill. Queen of Pentacles, and she is very caring, very loving. And maybe she is angry with someone, she is not talking to someone, and she is having this rosary in her hand. Yes. And with this last card of this deck, King of Pentacles, he is active, he is alert, he is practical, he is responsible person, um, passion, pro- professionalist person. Okay, this is what I have got for you here over here. And this deck is called Alchemy England Tarot 1977. Okay, if you want to buy this, then go and ask your delivery uh, persons to have this deck. This is a very beautiful deck, I like it very much. Now with lots of good wishes and love, bye. Have a good time. Khuda Hafiz.